I never change my t-shirt. It looks like this for 5 years. But what does it even mean? See, there are only two people that know when you're about to die. God and Google. Google says, on average, men in America live until 76 years. I am 30 years old. 30 out of 76 equals 40%. That is on average how much I have lived so far, and I have 60% left to live. This is a reminder for me that time is precious. So I shouldn't waste time doing things I don't want to do. I have been wearing this t-shirt for 5 years in a row.
Madara Uchiha.